Specifications of Long-Range Gas Detector Searchline Excel Edge. Long-range perimeter monitoring in harsh conditions elevate your environmental due diligence. Features and benefits. Reliable detection. Heavy-duty operation. Long-range monitoring. Easy to use. At a glance. Instrument status. Multiple outputs. Technical specifications. Primary gases range. Recommended alarm setting and minimum alarm setting path length. Response time. Analog output. Environmental operating and storage temperature. Power supply and consumption. Signals and relay outputs. Humidity. Pressure repeatability. Temperature drift. Warm-up time. Internal battery cell weight. Dimensions. Ingress protection. Safety approvals QLIS, IECX, performance approvals, functional safety, SIL core approvals.